kitty cats in the background. You can see his ear. And there's something on the face. There's his ear poking out. There's a kitty cat. Kitty! Oh, here he comes. Uh-oh. What is he gonna do now? What's he doing now? He is... Oh, there he is. There he is. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. What do you want? Oh, it's kitty. 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 Where are you going? You're going different places. Where are you going? No! Don't go down there. You don't need to go down there. No! This guy wants to chew up. What is you? He wants to see a cute kitty. Look. This little guy always wants to chew on my toys. He hears her. He purrs really loud. You're too cute. Charlie. Charlie. I love you. Badass cat. Badass. He thinks he is, but he's really not. It's a good model shot right there. Ah, okay. Alright, he wants help. So help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me now. No. Help me. Ah. And look, he wants to bite you. He loves to bite. He's not really bite, he sucks. Isn't that weird? I don't know, it's really weird to me. That's what he wants to do. Okay, alright, you're done. You're done now. You're done now. I'll be back. Okay.